Verisurf is pleased to announce the release of Verisurf 2019, the most powerful and productive version yet. This latest release features expanded capabilities and numerous improvements that enable more efficient inspection and reverse engineering over a wide range of applications. Verisurf 2019 incorporates feature balloons and a new details pane to make part inspection even more efficient. Feature balloons display the characteristics of a geometric feature, so you can view the tolerance condition immediately. Balloons display values such as measured, nominal, deviation, and out-of-tolerance amount, as well as prominent pass-fail indicators that enable quick evaluation of tolerance condition. Balloons feature drag and drop simplicity and can be customized as you measure. When inspecting to a CAD model, nominal feature values are extracted from CAD automatically and assigned to the measured feature so tolerance condition can be displayed immediately. In drawing-based inspections, nominal values are entered in the details pane after the feature is measured. Nominals can be assigned manually from CAD, and Verisurf supports prompted assignment of nominal values to groups of features. The details pane is a convenient way to view inspection results without opening the report manager. Using the details pane, balloons can be configured to display when a feature is checked or only when a particular feature is selected, and they can be disabled entirely. The details pane is toggled from the toolbar and can be configured to hide when nothing is checked or selected. Feature balloons can be configured globally or individually, and their formatting, such as text and background, is fully customizable. The feature extraction tool in Verisurf 2019 automatically fits geometric features to data extracted from point clouds and meshes to enable automated part inspection using scan data. The inspection plan is written once and then run on subsequent part scans, either measured or imported, to provide immediate tolerance evaluation and reporting. Feature extraction is not limited to geometric features. It also works to analyze the types of freeform surfaces often found in automotive, aerospace, and shipbuilding applications. In model-based inspection plans, the CAD values of the target features can be used to define the extraction zones. In drawing-based inspection, the nominal values of features that are measured, for example, in teach mode, are used to establish radial and axial extraction boundaries. In either case, a sigma filter enables scanner noise reduction based on the standard deviation of the feature fit for more accurate inspection results. A powerful group alignment option is available to best fit the scan data to localized regions of the model to assist in the extraction of features on parts that are flexible or challenging to hold in their nominal defined form. Feature extraction is run from the Auto Inspect Run Offline speed menu or by selecting the blue Run Offline button, and the operator can track the feature extraction status using a progress bar. The Power Mesh function in Verisurf 2019 simplifies and enhances the accuracy of mesh-based reverse engineering workflows. Power Mesh is a fast, powerful, one-click solution that can create, clean up, refine, smooth, and close a mesh, and will preserve color information in the scan data. Power Mesh can also append multiple overlapping point clouds and meshes, and is a natural first step when creating models from mesh data. Verisurf 2019 now supports live color scanning, including point clouds and meshes, from a variety of scanners, and it recognizes color data from common scan file formats such as OBJ and VRML. 3D meshes created from colored point clouds inherit the color information from the cloud so that important information is retained throughout the workflow. Color scans can help when modeling from Mylar scans and other 2D designs, and they improve the ability to visualize and interpret overlay text and details such as QA stamps, part numbers, and etched or stamped values. Verisurf 2019 now supports measurement of square and rectangular slots in addition to the standard off-round slot to enable inspection of a greater variety of parts, particularly sheet metal parts. All slot types support inscribed, circumscribed, and least squares fitting. In Verisurf 2019, the crop tool for point clouds and meshes has been improved by enabling rotation of the crop box as an alternative to aligning the data, or to crop in orientations that aren't square to the part axes. In addition, the orientation of the crop box is aligned to the active WCS by default to simplify working with multiple alignments. The Extend Mesh function now includes an option to fill hole edges, and it features an undo button to reverse the previous operation. The new Export to Edge Splines tool simplifies reverse engineering with a mesh by automatically creating closed-edge CAD splines on free edges in the mesh. This tool is ideal for cropped scans of ducts and ports, or any other mesh that requires a spline to control surfacing on an open edge. The Slice function has been improved and simplified in Verisurf 2019 through the ability to slice a point cloud or mesh in a 2D orientation based on the graphics view. Selecting 2D on the status bar orients the direction of the along X, Y, and Z controls in the Slice dialog to the axes of the screen. The orientation of the slice can then be established either by selecting the axis or by rotating the cloud or mesh in the graphics window. Slices taken in 2D still capture the full 3D nature of the scan data. In Verisurf 2019 Automate, analysis objects in a plan, such as analyses created using Inspect mode, and point grids created using the dynamic surface point and surface grid tools, can be converted to geometric features using the Convert To function. Using analyses to control feature measurements helps ensure proper coverage. Verisurf 2019 Automate also enables pre-selection of the features to include in a screenshot. After selecting the features and choosing the Screenshot button, the view can be further modified before completing the capture. Verisurf 2019 includes new options for reporting feature characteristics and analysis screenshots. When creating PDF and HTML reports, analysis screenshots that are added to the report using the new Automatic option can be configured to display either above or below the analysis details. The Report Manager Details pane displays the half angle of conical features, so this characteristic can be reported, and the Analysis Summary reports total profile and range when using the PDF, HTML, and Excel report formats. Total runout can now be derived from a single object by using the measured object's nominal position and direction as the datum. In addition, total runout can be calculated for constructed features. The Report Builder has a new Duplicate function that enables reuse of custom objects. Verisurf 2019 Automate includes additional features that simplify inspection plan development and further enhance hardware interoperability. The command object list now includes Global Register, Register to Nominal, and Endpoint Align to enable use of these powerful alignment tools inside an inspection plan. This addition greatly expands Verisurf's ability to automate part inspection using non-contact scan data. The Add from CAD Speed menu now includes ellipses, and Add from CAD Feature now recognizes all closed splines, including oblong, rectangular, and square slots, as well as ellipses. The Export Probe function now exports a DME file for UCC server compatibility. The Edit Projection Association dialog, which is used to associate analysis objects to CAD entities, includes a Clear Selection button to clear any existing associations. Verisurf 2019 streamlines inspection by indexing the points in analysis objects to their MBD callouts. When Inspect mode is used to check surfaces and other features that are controlled by an MBD callout, the MBD name is assigned as a prefix to the points in the analysis. These indexed names appear in the graphics window, in report screenshots, and in the analysis profile details to facilitate correlation between report and display. The Mold Plus translator has been updated and now supports CATIA V5 R29, the CATIA V6 3D Experience version R2017X, as well as the Siemens NX format. The translator also supports STEP AP242 import featuring associative MBD for files that contain tolerance information, so you can take full advantage of build and inspect using Verisurf MBD. In addition, import speed has been measurably improved by loading CAD data in wireframe mode and then shading it only after the entire model has loaded. The analysis settings in Verisurf 2019 include an option to display the individual components of deviations displayed as lines, cones, and arrows. When line components is enabled, the checkboxes control display of the components dx, dy, dz, and 3d. Projections are based on the active WCS, and points and notes copied to the clipboard also use the active WCS. In addition to the functionality added by Verisurf, Mastercam has also added significant enhancements to their core design platform, which benefit all Verisurf users. Here are just a few. The Options tab of the Options dialog enables configuration of the buttons on the Quick Mask toolbar. It can now be configured to display only the desired mask buttons to help simplify the user interface. Mastercam 2019 includes the STEP AP242 file format as a standard open and save as option. In files that contain model-based definition, or MBD, the dimension and tolerance information is read in, and user-defined views are automatically added to Mastercam view sheets. Mastercam 2019 now supports model display using plastic, metal, and glass material types to enable more realistic rendering. Material properties are first applied to the model, and different entities can be assigned different material properties. The material display is then enabled using a toggle on the View tab to render the model. The Planes Manager has been enhanced with the addition of the section plane. To view a cross-section of a model, a plane is marked as a section plane, and the section view is enabled. Section views on solid models can be capped for a more realistic part representation. Mastercam 2019 supports multiple simultaneous sections, and you can choose which types of entities to cut. The new glow highlighting in Mastercam 2019 makes it easier to select and identify the entities in a CAD model. Both mouseover and selection feature a boundary glow around the selected entity to improve visualization. The Auto Highlight Glow color can be configured in the Colors dialog. These are just a few of the many features that make Verisurf 2019 the world's leading model-based inspection and reverse engineering software system. Be sure to check out our other videos to see the difference and to learn more about the new time-saving improvements available in Verisurf 2019. To get specific information about how Verisurf solutions can help meet your current needs, please call us at 888-713-7201, email sales@verisurf.com, or visit us online at verisurf.com/contact.